Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by weakening the film. File the shiny top layer just enough to let remover penetrate. Then soak cotton in acetone or non-acetone remover depending on polish strength. Use 100% acetone for very stubborn layers. Place the soaked cotton on each nail and secure with foil or clips so it stays tight. Once wrapped, set a 10 to 15 minute timer and relax. The solvent needs time to soften the polish so it lifts without excessive scraping. You unwrap one nail at a time, pressing the cotton down and sliding it toward the free edge to lift most of the polish. This prevents smearing. If residue remains, use an orange wood stick or gentle metal pusher at a low angle to nudge soften polish off. Go slow to avoid gouging the nail. If chunks resist, rewrap and soak an additional 5 minutes rather than scraping harder. Make sure to keep motions gentle. The goal is removal, not damage. You finish by washing your hands thoroughly to remove acetone and any loose particles. This prevents drying and chemical irritation. Then apply cuticle oil and a hydrating hand cream, and consider a strengthening base if nails feel weak. If a stubborn spot remains, re-soak for an additional 5 to 10 minutes, rather than forcefully scraping. If lifting causes pain, deep ridges, or persistent staining, stop and consult a nail technician. They can assess damage and recommend professional treatments.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.